middle.
Dapat even sa foot part. Okay, even sa foot part.
Dali rin na yun. Hindi ko ma-perfect sa after Ayun to, awan. Nakadungan na kayo, ma'am.
Pero maganda, gaya, malang pero.
Proper
Oh, you talk first when I talk. Then, after food, dapat na.
proper body mechanics. Bakit nga? Proper body mechanics. Avoid our back to, prevent back injury.
Dili ba ang tatong?
Naman sa YouTube.
Full miter.
Ay, miter.
Full miter.
Practice na ron.
Observe ba daw? Mama, banaw si Waki mo. Sa kabulang may sulod.
Full miter. Because we are doing the closed bend. Full miter. Okay. Ano gani good side? Ang good side dapat naa sa contact with the patient's skin to avoid skin irritation. Okay, to avoid skin irritation. After the bottom sheet, what's the purpose of the bottom sheet? To cover the mattress. So after the bottom sheet, what's next?
Rubber sheet.
Rubber sheet. So ano nangyari dito? Kasi dito arrange according to you. Okay? Arrange according to you. Okay, rubber sheet. How do you open the rubber sheet? Ha?
Ako yung mga suya kaya.
Okay. What's the purpose of the rubber sheet, Gani? Ganit ang purpose, Ana? Hindi mabasa ang Then, next is the draw sheet. The draw sheet should be 2 inches above the rubber sheet. Ano gamay na inyo ng ano? Maliit talaga siya ng top sheet. Kuha kayo na bagong top sheet. Okay na yan. Okay. Then after that, top sheet. What's the purpose of the top sheet? It serves as the blanket of the patient. So, sa top sheet, dapat even siya on the head part. Okay, then top of this part. Proper body mechanics. Then half miter.
Ako yung... No, ay, gym mo.
Okay. So, pillowcase, pillow. Perform close bed.
Bulat ka dito. Ito na per day. Ito na per day.
Close bed. Ano ba ang close bed? Isa na close bed? Open mo sa Okay. So, what's the purpose of a closed bed? Ready for the next patient? Okay, to protect the linens from getting dirty because there's no patient yet. Wala pa yung pasyente. Just cover the bed because to prevent the bed linens to be dirty. So, open bed. So, what's the purpose of an open bed? The patient is already there, so ready for patient's occupancy. Why is the opening of the pillow, this one, away from the door? Prevent dust from entering the pillow. Okay, that is an open bed. Okay? So now, let's perform surgical bed. Wala pa na. Surgical bed. Ano man, same din sa surgical bed. Okay, so remember the surgical bed? Nakalimot na. Okay, si Dieter. Perfect. Dieter. Si Dieter.